guys, it's Bossboy444, and today this is our first video of me not doing something video game related. This is taking apart an engine and just looking at the guts of it, and this is mainly for people who don't know really what an engine looks like on the inside. Like, subscribe, comment if you want.
So, I have loose on this.
Okay.
Get it out of the way.
Looks as if something spins
This
there.
is the spark plug. This is when you pull on that rope, it turns this. And this magneto thing here sends spark to the spark plug.
Okay.
So each time it hits one, it sends spark. So we take that off, and now if you want to grab this, and just start loosening those head bolts. You're going to need two hands. No. No. Like that. Okay, that's loose. That's all you need. Then go to the next one.
Loose. Loose. And loose. 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 And loose. Did I get this one already? No, I didn't.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now that you got them loose, you can just take this and it's much easier to,
Okay.
or you can even,
These fingers, I'll use this thing. There.
magnetic bowl.
So Dad, can you tell my viewers what size these are?
1/2 inch.
They are 1/2 inch, if you didn't hear it. Here. Okay, so this plate's moving. Should I hold it?
Nope, that's fine. Once it just comes off. That's good. Plate over there, now if you just grab that spark plug and pull up. You just pull the head now. Show them what the underside of the head looks like. So this is where all the combustion takes place. The spark plug's right there. When you pull, here, now you can move out of the way this way. When you pull on that pull start, you move
Where do I
this
put this
piston.
then?
You can just set it over there on the table. And this piston will move. I don't know if you can see it or not, but the piston will come up. And then it would boom, and it would explode in that head. Send it down, the valve opens. And that's basically what it looks like inside of an engine.
Yep. Alright. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, hope you learned something. See ya, peeps.